Welcome to the ADEA Pass video tutorial, which will provide dental students and dentists applying to advanced dental education programs insight into the application process. The ADEA Pass application opens in mid-May. Before you begin your ADEA Pass application, use the ADEA Pass search engine to review important information about your programs of interest, such as deadline dates and program requirements. ADEA Pass simplifies the process of applying by submitting one application with all necessary materials to multiple programs. If you have created an ADEA Pass application before, you'll notice it looks different. ADEA Pass has been upgraded this year to make applying even easier. Be mindful that some processes might be different as well. So now you're ready to start your application. Once you've logged in, you must add at least one program to your application to move forward. You may edit your program selections anytime before you submit your application. To add a program to your application, click the plus sign. To remove a program, click Undo. Keep in mind, if you remove a program from your application, any information you have completed for that program will be erased. Once you have selected the programs you want to apply to, click My Application, which brings you to the application dashboard. There are 4 sections that must be completed in order to submit your application. Any questions with a red asterisk are required. Let's start with Personal Information. In this section, you will provide basic background information about yourself. New to the application this year is a section outlining the match process. While registration takes place on the match website, applicants who plan to participate must enter their match code number. Clicking My Application brings you back to the homepage where we will move to the section on academic history. In this section, you will provide information about your academic performance. Undergraduate, graduate, dental, and advanced dental education information must be entered here. Official transcripts are required for all dental degrees. Course-by-course evaluations completed by a credential service will be required for all foreign dental schools attended. You can also add test information for the GRE, ADEA, and NBDE in this section. ADEA Pass will post official National Board dental exam results and ADA Advanced Dental Admission test scores if you request them. Now, let's move to the section on supporting information. This section of the application requests information about your experiences, licenses, and evaluations, as well as a copy of your resume. You will also need to upload your unofficial undergraduate transcripts. 3 professional evaluations are required, but up to 5 can be requested. Evaluations cannot be customized and will be sent to each program selected in your application. Finally, you will find the programs you selected in the Program Materials section. In this section, each program has the option to request additional information specific to their admissions process. You may be asked to answer additional questions for each program or submit documents such as a personal statement. Only the program requesting the information can access your answers and documents. As you complete each section of the application, you will see a green check mark indicating all required sections have been fulfilled. You can only submit your application once all 4 sections are finished. When you are ready to submit your application, go to the Submit Application tab and click Submit. Once you have submitted your application, monitor your application status. To do this, click the Check Status tab at the top of the dashboard. Here you can ensure all transcripts and evaluations have been received. It's important to check your application and your email regularly for any notifications. If you have questions as you move through the application, click on the question mark at the top of the page to access our help menu. For more information, visit adea.org/pass. You can also contact ADEA Pass by email or phone.